Okay, our next transaction is of 7 January and it says Mr. Mubarak paid all previous balance by giving us cash of 40,000. So what was its previous balance? That was the opening balance that we have recorded in the starting. So you can see that it is 40,000 that Mubarak needs to pay. So it is settling that amount. So I'll go to customer and sales and go to receive money for that, because the opening balance which we have recorded is considered as a sales invoice. So that's why we will just consider it as sales invoice have already been made, and now we have to settle the money against that invoice. So it should be closed. I'll show you in detail and then you will get the point. Receive money from customers, and since we are receiving the cash, click OK, and we are receiving it from Mubarak. Give any reference number, and the date is 7th of January, and payment method is cash. And since we are settling this amount in full, I'll just paste the description first, copy and paste. Now we are settling this full invoice, so I'll just click on pay and it will automatically pick up this amount, and then we will click on save. Now let's go back and check. Okay, click close, and when you will click close and go back to customers and sales, you will see this tab. Here it shows Mubarak has still 40,000 balance, but it is already been settled. So let's refresh it to see the effect. Now it still doesn't post it. Maybe it requires some posting. Go to receive money and receive money from customers again. It says the cash journal needs to be posted. Do you want to post it? Click yes. So let's close it and refresh it now. So now it changes back to 0. So sometimes it needs a separate posting for finally entering it into the system. So that's how we receive money from customers in cash.